Safety is, of course, a top priority at CKC. And in the beginning, when you think about having kids outside, you might think, well, they're less safe. There's less structure, there are no walls, there's no roof. So on first glance, you might think this is a less safe environment. And I want to tell you that I think that is completely false. I think that our kids are safer than any kids in any educational program out there. And the reason why is not because of walls or doors or security guards, it's because of community. Everyone knows everyone. If there is suddenly an outside person around, they're noticed right away. The community will come together to figure out what's going on. We are very attentive. Even though it is outdoor, we are typically within a gated area or a secluded part of the park. And the real reason, though, that we are safer than inside a traditional school building is really that community. As we've seen, unfortunately, time and time again in traditional schooling, having security measures, having doors, having locked windows, it doesn't keep our kids safe. It hasn't been keeping our kids safe. We feel that it's not the locks on the doors that ultimately are really going to protect our children. It's knowing everyone around them. It's knowing the kids themselves and dealing with emotional crises and dealing with kids who need mental health support. That's really what's going to keep all of our communities safe, our schools and our broader community. Knowing each other, knowing who needs help, knowing who's struggling. And that is something that we are experts at CKC.